is Crisha Vennise and welcome to Crisha Vennise TV. I will explain you where rain come from. It's come from to the cloud. The cloud is much more white, you really know. But rain comes from the cloud and the raindrops is very dirty. If it's that dirty, you got the right children. Because wind, and the wind and rain, it will pushes their leaves and put it in your mouth because you're doing like it. And if you're splashing in the puddles, you're gonna be slipped like Peppa Pig. Like that. And so don't do it. If I get mad, you gotta go to the rabbit to put in action. and when I'm thinking on my brain. I search to my brain. And not in Google. It's on my brain. Because when I'm a kid, I'm saying, And he said, no, just be grade 2. And I said, yes. And bye guys.